Hello there, Zoodle Zoppers. So today we have the Disney Pixar Lightyear figures. So this is just a little box. It's got the figures from the movie, the new Lightyear movie in it. On the front, it says Space Ranger Defense Pack. And so we're just gonna open it up and see what's inside. This is what the box looks like. These are the characters we have here. All right, so let's see what we got. This is pretty cool. And then if you look in the box, it kind of looks like, you know, a little background here. It's kind of cool looking. Alright. I'm just going to take these out. Oh, they're fastened in there, so we gotta cut them out. There we go. Buzz. And I haven't seen the movie, so I'm not too familiar with the characters, but I know this is Buzz. And I'm just gonna make his little thumbs here. Got one of the creatures. So it looks like it actually, like the little claws move a little. It's kind of interesting. Looks like they close together and open. The legs don't move. It's very flexible. Have to cut her belt. It's just really in there. Okay, and I believe this is Izzy. So again, I'm not too familiar with the characters outside of Buzz. But I think this is Izzy. And let's see, her arms move. There's something in the back here, so I don't know if that's something supposed to plug in there. Legs move a little. It's a pretty cool action figure. So I'm just gonna set her here. And this is Buzz. And he also has the little thing on the back, like there's something that's supposed to plug in there. His body actually turns all the way around. So it would be cool if his helmet closed, but it doesn't. And these are the weapons. So we have the gun. So I'm actually not sure if these fit into his hand. Looks like it might. So I'm going to see if we can get it. Maybe we can get it in his hand. Maybe the smaller one. Okay, so it does fit into his hand. This fits in there too. I can't really get it in there. I don't want to break it. So I do wish that the other character, Socks, was actually in the box, but he is not. We instead got this guy. All right, and let's see if this other weapon fits in her hand. I think it does. I'm supposed to be fighting this little bug-looking thing here. Okay, and that's what we have for today. Don't forget to hug that like button, and if you're new here, the subscribe button welcomes you. See you next time. Bye.